Hello, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. As we talk about the amenities of this property, yes, we required to present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description.